My name is Ellen, and I'm in 5th grade.
So the workshop that we're in right now is called Highlight Reel. In the workshop, we basically go out of school and do different sports. We record those sports and we put it into an editing software so we could edit the video to make a highlight reel or a hype video.
We're in Air Force One, where we're designing and building a hovercraft using ChatGPT.
We're in the workshop Far from the Shoreline, where we're integrating AI to make a script of a play that we're gonna use for comedy.
Then we realized that we didn't have air vents. Without them, it will actually explode. And so when we were testing it, it just kept getting bigger and bigger until we stopped. And then one of our other teams told us, "Do you have air vents?" And then we were like, oh.
A challenge that hit in the middle of the process was probably in the beginning of the editing, where it was really hard to time everything correctly and just put the videos in one thing.
The first time we did a hovercraft test, our skirt overinflated and kind of exploded, so that's actually how we had to build a new skirt and restart.
Starting from day one, I'd probably give myself you got this, you could for sure do it, because I'm pretty good at memorizing. I love public speaking, and I was really doubting myself at the beginning of it, but now just reading through, I'm I got this, I could definitely do this.
I'm most proud of my timing in my highlight reel. At first it was tricky, but then I learned how to do it and it got easier. That was really nice.
If I were to describe this workshop in one word, probably be embracing change. Why is because we thought it was gonna be a 5-minute stand-up comedy, and it actually turned out to be a 1-hour play.